Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Facebook Pixel Dupe. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left-hand menu. Click on Themes to see your current theme. Select Actions next to your active theme. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Code. Look for the Layout folder and click to expand it. Open the theme.liquid file within the Layout folder. Press Ctrl+F or Command+F to open the search function. Type FBQ in it into the search bar. If you find multiple instances, take note of their locations. Remove any duplicate Facebook pixel code snippets carefully. Ensure you leave only one instance of the code intact. Next, check any custom code sections in the snippets folder. Look for files like custom.js or any relevant files that may have been added. Repeat the search for FBQ in it within these files. Remove any additional duplicates found. Once you've cleaned up the code, click Save in the top right corner. Return to your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, log in to your Facebook Events Manager. Select your pixel from the menu. Click on the Diagnostics tab. Review any alerts regarding pixel duplicates. If none are found, you've successfully uninstalled the duplicates. To verify, visit your online store and check the page source. Search for FBQ in it again to ensure there is only one instance. Once confirmed, your Facebook Pixel installation is now clean and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.